Vanessa and welcome to Bible Art Projects. Again, filming this intro from outside with a siren. Hope everyone's well. So yeah, welcome to Bible Art Projects. Enjoy! Okay, so today we are going to be making these super cute stickers for your Bible journal. I must say, super cute and super easy. Enjoy! Okay, so for this we'll be using a piece of card or paper to protect your table or surface, or just an easy to clean surface. Some Sharpie pens I'll be using, or you can use felt tips, markers, whatever you have. And these labels. Now these labels are 145 self-adhesive labels for 49p from Home Bargains. That's like less than $1. 49p. Okay, so that's what we're using. Something to protect your table, some felt tips or markers, and these super cheap, super fab labels from Home Bargains or wherever you find them. Okay, you ready? Okay, so this is quite literally one of the simplest tutorials ever. All you're going to do is get one of the sheets of sticky labels. You can see they've got that lovely backing on, but you've got that card underneath to protect the table so you can really go wild with your colouring. And then that's it. Just start making up patterns. You can do stripes, you can do squiggles, you can do polka dots, you can do flowers, you can do hearts, you can do whatever you please. Copy my patterns, make up your own. Most important thing, enjoy. Okay? Enjoy! So now that your patterns are complete, it's time to start adding some words. You can even leave them blank if you wish, but I decided to be inspired by Galatians and the fruit of the Spirit. And then when I ran out of fruit of the Spirit, I just started adding other words like faith and hope and love. Anything you wish. It's for your Bible. You might have a theme of Easter, whatever you wish. I used Galatians, fruit of the Spirit, and then extra words just to fill up my spaces. And remember, you can leave some blank too. And that's it, they're finished, and don't they look great? Super cute, super easy, and actually super affordable, which is the best. Hey! Right then, so now it's just time to put them in your Bible.